Okay, so I've got a few exercises to show you using the band and the chair. So we're just going to start off loosening off a little bit. So I want the seat of the chair to face you. Just pop your band over the back. So the seat of the chair is facing you at the moment. And we're going to take a couple of steps back away. Just turn it this way, actually, you can see better this way. That's it. Okay, we're just going to start. Tap the seat of the chair, land. Tap and land. Nice and gentle. 4 more. 3. Now if you're struggling to reach the seat of the chair, just tap in front on the floor. That's it. Now we're going to take our foot over the chair, so you need to be fairly back. Lift, over and down. Lift, over and down. Again, you can just draw a circle in front and bring the foot back. If you can't reach the chair, just draw a circle in front. Point the toes, bring it back. Point the toes. 2 more if you can. Over the seat of the chair. Now you notice I'm not doing this, leaning back and going everywhere. Keeping our posture, tummy in, chest lifted. Round, down. It's a good balance challenge as well. Last one. Bring me back. Your taps to the chair are in front. Tap. If you're too close to the chair, it's going to be hard and you'll have too much angle. Get away from the chair. Tap and lower. Tap. Down. 4 more. 4. Make sure you're pointing them toes. 3. Down. Remember, you can do this in the front. That's it. And then a hip circle over the top if you can. Round, over and down. So we're going to cross the body over the chair, out to the side, back in. Across, out and down. Cross, out. 2 more. Cross and down. Good. Last one. Brilliant. Okay, coming slightly close to the chair, but still not too close. Pop the hands at the side of the chair rather than flat to save our wrists. We're going to take one leg back nice and straight in line with the hip. Back down. Try and keep the back of the knees straight. Lift. Pull through the tummy and back to the floor. Don't let your head dangle. Back. Lift and down. And again. Lift. Up and down. Okay, keeping the feet and knees together. We're just going to bend the knees, push your bottom back, and then lifting straight. So imagine that we're sitting on the chair behind us and lifting up, straighten the back. Again, push the bottom back, sit down, come up so your shoulders are back above the wrist, hips above the knees, down, sit. It's only to be a small movement, lift, and in. Lift the leg again, straight leg. Doesn't matter how high you get, but if you can get it in line with the hip, that would be great. Straight leg, line with the hip, back down. One more time each side. Tighten through the lower tummy as we lift, and down. One more. Lift, up, and keep the hands on the chair. Lift one heel and pedal. Pushing through, keep the back nice and flat and straight, strengthen through the arms so we're warming up. 3, 2, do your little sit back again, sit back, take the body away, and then forwards and back onto the chair. 2 more, down as if we're sitting, as if I'm pulling you back from your belt loops, as if I'm behind you, I've got your belt loops and I'm pulling you back, you're sitting back, and rocking forward. Bring the feet in a bit closer, bend the knees a little bit, push off the chair, lift and come back up. Okay, I want you to come around and just sit on the chair. Again, still just warming up, ready for what we've got to come at the back with the band. So, hips and shoulders on top. So bring yourselves to the end of the chair so your legs are off. Feet in line with the hips and slightly open. Don't let your knees touch. Don't let them be wide. Just in, toes forward. Hands on the top of your thighs, not your knees. That's it. Keep the chest up, shoulders down. Push it forward. Lift and up. Push the bottom back, back and down. again. Lift, straighten up, push the bottom back and down. And again, lift, coming up, push the bottom back and down. 2 more. Lift and up and bottom back and down. Lift, up, bottom down. Sit, heel, land, heel, land. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Foot lift, lift slightly, not too high. Feel it through the hips here working. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and this time point the toe. So go point, point, point. Sit. 2 more. Sit. And lift. Hands to the side. Little lean. Reach for the ceiling and lean from the waist. Don't bring your arm over. Reach up. Down. Other side. Lean at the waist. Reach up. Sit. Breath in. And out. 1 more. Breath in. And hands on the thighs. We're going to come to standing up this time. Lift and up. Brilliant. Okay, so grab your band, and this time we're going to be around the back of the chair. So you want the chair in front like this facing me, but I'm going to face this way so you can see me. So the chair is back. We've got our band. I want you to pop the band around the middle of the foot. That's it. And what we're going to do on the back of the chair, I'll just bring the chair in so you can see. We don't want to wrap this around our hands or grip it really tight. So we pull and just got the ends on the chair, and we put our hand over the top so it stays there. Okay, don't try and grip. You can grip it if you want and hold, but you might get a bit hard to grip. It'd be much better if you just pull both ends, push down hard with your palm, and then we can move the band around. Okay, so we've got feet slightly apart. Good posture. Try not to bend, try not to twist, try not to drop your head. Lift the foot and you'll feel it just swinging in the band. Just do a couple of circles round for the hip. Back the other way. Circle. Sit and bring it down. Okay, lift the hip again so the foot lifts. Gently, side, in, side. And we're using the side of our foot as if we're pushing away and in. And it's not about how high we get, we're just keeping the control. As we come in, we're hovering above the floor, not touching. Side, check your posture. Side lift. Hovered, we're going to take it back, keep the leg straight, so you move the hip and the bottom, back and forward, push, so you push down with your hands into the chair where you've got the band, and again, 4, in. Now this bottom side will hurt just as much if not more, because we're working stability in this leg, and bring it back in. Okay, I want you to keep your hand on the chair. If you're on the same leg as me, which hopefully you are, turn and face the side. So the leg with the band is close to the chair. If you're on the other side, then you can turn it around the other way. So we're still behind the chair. You've got the chair in front. You have turned and faced the side. And you've still got your hand keeping hold of the band. We're going to just let the leg swing forward, and we're imagining a ball is coming in, and we're going to kick it with the inside of the foot and back. So when I say the inside of the foot, that's this area here. This is what we're kicking the football with, not our toes. The ball is coming in, push, and it's going into the diagonal goal. So imagine you've got a goal in front of you, you're going to hit the ball, kick it into the corner, back, cross, and back. Sit. cross and forward. If the seat of the chair, legs of the chair, come on, don't worry. Push across, back again. Cross the body. Just keep pushing down with the hand on the back of the chair. So you can see why I said don't grip the band, because you wouldn't be able to push down on the chair, and you'd also get sore hand from gripping so much. That's it. Last one. Good. Pop it down. Slowly grab the band. So we're going to change leg. So pop it band around the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's it. Lift the band up over the back of the chair. That's it. Feet back. We're not standing too close. We've stretched the band. Lean forward and push down in the chair. Lift the leg and it hovers. Circle. Back the other way. Okay, side leg. Side. In. Keep the lower tummy in. Shoulders down. Side. In. Side. In. Out. In. That's it. A few more to this side. Remember, we're using the side of the foot. Push away. We're not worrying about the height. It's all about control. And again. Side. Back in. That's it. So we're looking like this from the front. Out. Keep going. Out. In. Out. In. Bring it in and keep the foot hovered above the floor. Straight leg back. So we're moving from the hip and bottom, not the knee. That's it. Push down in the chair. You may feel a little bit of aching on this side again. Anywhere from your lower back all the way down is the outside of the bottom and the hip. Back and in. Squeeze back. In. Press. That's it. 4 more. 3. Last 2. Last 1. Bring it in. Turn in to face the side so your leg is still near the chair with the band on. It's not on the outside of the leg. So keep the tummy in. Legs slightly forward. Cross the body. We're kicking the football. Cross and back. So 4. Back. 3. Keep the posture, press, keep the control, lower tummy in. We'll do another 4 now. 4, back, 3, 2, last 1 and back. Great, okay, so just get rid of the band. So you can do them as many times as you like, but I advise that you do a little bit of a warm-up like we did first. But those are brilliant exercises, do them 2 or 3 times a week, but don't rush them. I know it's hard because you think just get them done, but they're really good exercise for the hips, for anybody with hip problems, hip replacements, the legs supported, anybody really wanting to tone your hips bottom or struggling with the lower back, it will strengthen that area and build the stability. So good exercise there to do.